Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay. This is Make Money with Video. Now in today's video, we're going to look at how to earn money on TikTok. Before we get into it, I'm going to put you on the big screen because you don't want to look at my ugly mug. And I'm going to close this so you can get the big screen. Now this is my channel, guys. I upload videos how to make money on different platforms such as TikTok, Fiverr, Etsy, YouTube, and I use different video softwares like InVideo, Vidnami, Adobe, things like that, guys. So if you want to come to this video, if you want to come to this channel and check it out, I've got some other videos here about how to make money on TikTok. But without further ado, guys, let's jump into it. Now, as you're probably aware, TikTok is very popular at the moment. Everybody's talking about it, everybody's using it. They're uploading things like silly videos, pet videos, things like this, teaching videos, singing, dancing, you name it, funny videos. They've got a bit of everything. But what you might not know, guys, is that you can make money on there. Yeah. And today we're going to show you how to make money using affiliate marketing. And the affiliate marketing, what we're going to use is it's ClickBank. Now, it's free to sign up. I'm just going to log in because I've not been on it for a few minutes. It kicks you out. Yeah, so as you might not know, it's free to sign up. But when you come onto it, you click on here where it says Marketplace, and you've got all these different categories. Now, each category, if you click on it, oh, I knew I'd do that. Let me go back. Yeah, each category, it opens up and it's got lots more stuff. So you can either pick it from here, or you can click on the main title here, and it'll open up. It'll like open up everything, yeah. Or you can come up to here and you can search if you already know the products. But a popular one, guys, is parenting and families, yeah. So I'm just going to click on that, bring it all up. And like this one here, Baby Sleep Miracle, yeah. If you sell it, you can get an average of $24. And you might think that's not much, but if you've got lots of traffic coming towards you, like on TikTok, you get thousands of people watching your stuff. Yeah, then it's all going to add up. So if I wanted to promote this now, all I do, once you've signed up for it, you click that, and you could click one of these, which one you want. Yeah, if you just want the default one or the sales page, whichever. Yeah, just do the default one. You click generate hop link, and there's your link. You click that, and then you paste that wherever you're doing your video, which I'll show you. I'll get more into it in a minute, guys. So let me just close this. But all these are different ones. But like, for instance, this one here, it's got an affiliate page. Some don't have this, guys, but these are the ones you want to be looking out for, yeah? Because when you click on it, some, like this one now, is a good one because it gives you lots of different things you can look at, like infographics, demographics, and these are what you can post on your social medias as well as like your like TikTok and that. Now we're going to look at articles, yeah? So like, for instance, now you click on articles, and look, guys, they give you all these different articles what you can use. Now, you might be thinking you don't want to be, you've not got a website, but you don't need a website, guys, because if you go over to like this one's called Baby Sleep, yeah. So if you go over to TikTok and we type in Baby Sleep. You've got Baby Sleep Doctor, Baby Sleep so Baby Sleep Magic. Look, guys, now if I click on this, I've got a feeling she's going to have, let's go back up to this, yeah. So here's your Baby Sleep. If you click on it, brings to this page here where it is like a video, yeah, ClickBank and all that. We'll just come off this, go back onto there, we'll click on Baby Sleep Magic and see what happens. Now look, guys, can you see how she's got this here? Yeah, this is called an affiliate link. So this is where, if you was to promote this, yeah, you would put that link on there. Now, as she's got videos here, I'm going to show you how you can make videos with this kind of text, yeah, and then you don't have to show your face, you don't have to make the videos. I'm going to show you a quick way, yeah. So let's just have a look at where this takes you. So it is an affiliate link. Now it's brought you to, it is, look, so if you would sign up here to one of these, the person whose account that is would make an affiliate, it would make a commission, yeah? She'd make some money. I'm going to come back off this a minute, and right, so come over here. What we'll do, we'll just, don't need it all, guys. We'll just take a little bit, yeah? And this is what I do. I'd take a little bit and make a video. I'm going to show you how to make a video now and how quick it is. Now, the program we're going to use is called Vidnami, yeah? And if you click on it, you got all these different videos you can make, but if you keep it on the content video and click on the formats, you can make landscape, which is for like YouTube, you've got square for like Facebook, and then you've got vertical, which is what we need for TikTok. And you see, guys, it automatically makes them for you. So you can pick any you want. You can pick this one if you want, yeah? Let it load, and this is where you copy it and paste. Now, you can play around with this, yeah? And what I do, where there's a full stop, I try and keep a bit of space in between each sentence, yeah? And then obviously that. And then all you do, you probably have a bit more, and then what you could do is click yep, and then that's your call to action, guys. That's very important, because I know it might sound simple, like it's in your bio, in your description. Some people need to be told. It's kind of like holding their hands kind of thing. Now this, look how fast this is, guys. Here's your video already. You don't have to. Now, the good thing about this, it looks at keywords and it finds them for you. So what our headline is, we can call it, what's it called? Magic Baby, call it, yeah? So you just do this. Called that, but yeah, if you didn't want it to be blue, you can up to your style here and you could change it. Look, love it in red, love it in bright red, yeah? We'll also have this one in red, bright red. There you go, guys. That's how easy it is. And if I didn't want this video because I wanted like a baby one, go back to your media here, click on baby, scroll down. Now, if you want to upload your own pictures, you can, your own videos, you can, look, clips, images. This uses a thing called Storyblocks. So we could just click on a video like a baby like that, go down to the next slide, and there's your message, yeah, and you've got some more baby stuff. If you didn't want that one, you wanted this one, click that. Like I said, guys, you can type in whatever you want here. You can use one of their keywords, what they found you. You can use images, yeah. Scroll down, we'll pick another one. Then yeah, and then there you go, guys. All you do then, let it load up, and then here you can click on this where you can have no voice and just music only. You can have auto voice, record your own voice, or upload a voice, yeah, if you was going to go to like somewhere like Fiverr. But we'll just click on this. I like to use, you've got all these different people, because I'm from the United Kingdom, and I know Kay and Harry, them both sound pretty good. Just use one. I've got a woman speaking because she's talking about babies, not trying to be sexist there, guys. This is what it sounds like.
Hi, my name is Kate, and I would love to read the script.
Yeah, bit roboty, but it's still all right, isn't it? Now, I'm going to say sometimes, because I've got all these different tabs open, it could take a while, but look, it's already there. That's it, guys. And then your music, if you can either choose different moods like dark, angry, love, playful, relaxing, etc. Different genres, yeah, blue, cinematic, and all that. Or you can just scroll over it. Yeah. Find one you like. We'll just put one for playful. Yeah, maybe. No. I don't know, guys. Maybe love. Yeah, just pick any. It doesn't really matter, right? And then, or because you will put it onto TikTok, don't choose any. Yeah. and then pick one like one of the dance tunes for that. But for the sake of this, just do that. Your press looks good. There you go, guys. Generate your video. And it doesn't take that long to be fair. This I would say less than a minute. It says it may take a few minutes. But guys, that's how easy it is using this software. Now, this software, there will be links in the description if you want to pick it up. And at the moment, I've got a 25% discount for all my subscribers. If you want to take advantage of that, that's I think it works out at something like £35 a month. If you don't want to pay that, yeah, and you think it's a bit steep, I totally understand. There also is a link for a free 14-day trial, guys, where even if you don't want to sign up afterwards, you can create and pump out lots and lots of videos like this, yeah? And all you do after you've done this one, that's your first video, you go back to this, and then you make another video with a bit more, or you can even make it all that if you really wanted to, yeah? Just mean, but you've got to bear in mind, you're going to have like 60 seconds, can't you? So keep it a couple of sentences, yeah? Then you make another video, and then you just keep going through it like that. Nope. And then look, this is article 1. This is good about this one. You've got 2, second act, 3, 4, so many different articles, guys. Back on see if our video's ready. No, not yet. But this is a good way to make money, and it's a good way how to earn money on TikTok. Yeah, you can use this software as well with Nami for YouTube. And if you look at this video or another video down here with Nami, yeah, I also show us through these, but I show you different ways how you can make money with Nami and using the software. This is a good way what I found. And if you come up back over to ClipBank, if you don't want to go in the baby sleep, and you, like for instance, I don't know, you might be into woodworking. Yeah, go into woodworking. This is a popular one, Ted's Woodworking, yeah, $64. Come back onto here and type in woodworking. I'm sure. Yeah, there's lots of woodworking ones here. Let's just click on one, see if there's right, so that here's affiliate link. Oh, he's got his Shopify, so he's linked to his whatever his shop. So we'll check out a different one, guys. But yeah, so he's doing the same thing. He's trying to make money by sending them to his place. Yeah, woodworking for fun. Yeah. Let's have a look at this woodworking plans. It loads. Look, guys, Ted's Woodworking, which is this affiliate market. This yeah, it's affiliate marketing, but it's this product on ClipBank. So that's just proved that people are doing this, guys. Yeah. So if you feel like you don't want to do baby or woodworking, try lots of different ones, guys. Like I said, if you come to the marketplace in ClipBank, and you don't have to use ClipBank, you can use lots of different affiliate sites. Yeah, and you can even use Amazon. Yeah, you can link back to Amazon products, and then you can come down and check all these different ones out, and then find one that you really like and go for it. Oh look, my video's ready. So you download your video, and then it'll come over to store in here. And these are like the other ones I've been showing people. And I'm going to create another one. You just come back, click on that, create another one. And if you've got a Facebook page or an Instagram page, you can upload it to your Instagram, you can upload it to your Facebook, yeah, and your YouTube and stuff like that. Then you can also do presenter videos, instant ads, sales videos, course training, property. There's lots of different ways to make money with Nami, but this is a good way if you're into TikTok. And like I said, TikTok is blowing up, and lots of people are using it, and you're getting lots of traffic. Yeah, look at this. Ted's Woodworking. He's got 49. And all he's doing, he's got little videos from Ted's Woodworking, and he's doing the exact same, using the exact same product, Vidnami, guys. So that is it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if please check out these other videos of make money on TikTok and how to make money on TikTok, because I show different ones, yeah? I show like, I think it's the health and fitness niche as well. So give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment as well, guys, if you like this sort of video, and if you want me to find other ways to make money with Vidnami before you purchase it. But like I said, look in the description. There's 2 links. There's one what's 25% off, where you get 25% off a lifetime. So when you pay for it, it's £35 a month. It won't go up. $35, sorry, a month. It won't go up anymore. Or you can take the free option. You've got 14 days. Pump out as many different videos. Make as many TikTok video channels as you want, different niches, put out different videos for each one, pump out loads of videos, guys. And if you think I don't want this, you still got a good chance of making some like money, yeah? Because your links will be on those descriptions, and then those channels will just keep getting views and views, and then you might make some money. It's then go and buy the products. But in the meantime, guys, that is it. Check out my videos, please. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's only a small channel. And yeah, guys, thanks very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.